online just by reading cryptocurrency news. Yes, you have heard it right. Yes, it is a dream come true. You just need to read the articles which are available on cryptocurrency news websites, and then you can make money off it. I'm gonna show you the entire strategy step by step. So if you are excited about this, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, as well as a course about drop servicing is there. First link in the description. So if you are interested in that, you can then just purchase it and learn from it and make money from it. Okay, so now let's just start it and let's jump into our juicy content so that you can make money online just by reading cryptocurrency news just by yourself. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so you just need to come to this website, okay, which is known as youtube.com. Okay, and you can see this is a particular channel which is known as Crypto Jargon. Okay, now let me show you what type of videos he is making. They are ridiculously easy to make videos with this guys. So you can see this guy is getting ads over his videos, so this channel is probably monetized. Okay, so now let's just skip the ad and let's see what type of content he is making, which is really simple content. Okay, it's not.
हेलो तो सबसे
So you can see he is just providing the news of cryptocurrency, just referring to different articles, okay, and that's it what he is doing. Okay, you can see he is just referring different articles and different websites and just providing you cryptocurrency news, what is gonna happen in the crypto market, the Bitcoin is going to be up or the Bitcoin is going to be down, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, which is really simple because all he is doing is that he is reading an article and then explaining that article or that particular news to the people who are willing to learn about cryptocurrency. Okay, there are a lot of people who are excited about cryptocurrency and they want to invest money in cryptocurrency. With this strategy, he is also doing affiliate marketing. You can see that he is recommending a broker for crypto trading. Okay, so he is probably making a commission with this, so that is also one of the best thing. As well as he can provide links to Coinbase as well as Binance over here, so that if people create account on those, then he will also get an affiliate commission. So you can see he is probably earning affiliate commission with this, as well as this channel has been monetized, so he is also earning monetized income. Okay, that is YouTube AdSense revenue. These are the two streams of income which he is probably earning with this real simple strategy, which almost everyone can replicate. Okay, now you just can go to the websites like this, which is known as coindesk.com. okay, and you can see all this news is available about cryptocurrency, what is gonna happen in the cryptocurrency market. All you need to do is have a screen recorder on your computer. Okay, so let me give you a free screen recorder. Okay, so just go to Google and you just type in OBS Studio. Okay, now OBS Studio is a free screen recorder which you can go and download over here on this website. Okay, go to obsproject.com and download the screen recorder to your computer. Okay, I am using a different screen recorder which is a paid version, so I don't feel that you will need that. Okay, you can definitely do everything from OBS Studio. Okay, so you can download the software on your computer, and then what you need to do is just record yourself reading all the news. This guy is probably not even showing his face. Okay, so you can see this guy is not at all showing his face. He is just recording the screen, and he is just explaining that the Bitcoin is gonna go up. This is the news in the crypto market, the state of international adoption of DFI, Feed Circle, Jaribi, Allaire, this type of things. Okay, he's just reading the news, explaining it to the people in small chunks, and that's the way he is monetizing his channel with affiliate marketing as well as with YouTube AdSense. Now this is the easiest content to make because you don't have to make content yourself. You don't have to script the content yourself, because websites like this are going to make content for you. They are going to script the content for you. You don't need to do any of the work. You just need to read the article, understand what is there in the article, and explain that to people. That's the simplest and easiest thing to earn money, which can be really awesome. And this is a ridiculously easy way to earn money online. Okay, even though if you are not at all investing any money in cryptocurrency, still you can can just provide the cryptocurrency news to the people, and if they are investing money, you can just provide them the news, and that can be one of the things with which you can earn your AdSense revenue very easily, simply. So definitely go start doing this stuff and start earning some real long-term income for yourself, which can be easiest thing to do and earn money online, definitely. So if you are getting some value out of this video, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, which will be downwards, okay, which will be downwards. You have to press it and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, so that you can get notified. And definitely watch other videos on my channel. Okay, so we'll see you in the next awesome video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome video.